I'm Jakob. I'm 52 and the proud father of 2 kids. I'm a Scandinavian living in Denmark and the founder and inventor of WeGrillTable. I like all outdoor activities, everything to do with outdoor living, and my big passion is outdoor cooking, and I want everybody to go into social barbecuing. In our family, we've always loved to barbecue. So what we usually did, to take a picnic grill and put it on the table. With small kids, it was a bit dangerous. We still loved it and did it, but I got the idea to make something more functional, and it's basically there that grill table came up. Yeah, so the idea was born in 2017, and now we're in 25, right? So around 8 years from idea till a finished product ready for market. We've been through something like 17 prototypes. We patented in China, US, Australia, and Europe. The whole idea was to develop the ideal grade grill table for social barbecuing, right? We invented a vortex system that basically drives the entire grill. The vortex system removes the smoke. It heats the outer side to keep everybody warm with a built-in patio heater. And you have the nice and social barbecue, right? We don't really have any competition on the market. It's a unique product. There are similar products, but that runs on electricity. WeGrillTable is beautiful and very simple. It's just a charcoal-driven grill, and the energy from the charcoal, besides actually grilling your food, of course, simply drives the entire system of heating and removing smoke. Yeah, why would you be grilling over there on your own when you can be together with friends and family barbecuing, right? And at the same time, you will also get these nice special features. You will get the personal patio heater and you will get the smokeless feature, so you will not be annoyed. My dream finally came a reality. We actually created a table ideal for social barbecuing, where you can sit and relax with your friends and family, enjoy the nice evenings. It takes grilling to a whole new level with friends and family. It's simply a unique product and #1 in the world.